Guys, welcome back. So today, as you saw in the intro, we toured Sedona.
Sedona and Valley, no.
Village of...
Oak Creek.
That's right, Village of Oak Creek.
Where I used to live.
That's right. She used to live here actually, what, 8 years ago?
7, 8 years ago.
Yeah, for a short time. But anyway, we had a great time. She showed me around all our old stomping grounds and gave me a little tour. And in the footage you're going to see here, it's just absolutely breathtaking.
It was unbelievable.
Want to try that again there, Joe? It was unbelievable.
It was unbelievable.
Yeah. What are the things that we see? We saw
Oh gosh,
Bell.
the Bell Rock.
Yep.
And the chapel.
The chapel, the cathedral. Yep.
Yep. The city. What is it called? City Hall.
The City
Mountain.
Hall Mountain. Yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah.
And I will tell you, it's so hot out here. If it was a little cooler, we were so excited to maybe explore and hike some of these things. But it was 106 degrees that day.
Well, that was a cooler day. It was actually 109, I think.
Yeah.
One of the first days we got out, 112.
It's just been brutally hot. So our hiking has been very, very limited.
Somewhat pathetic.
Yeah, that too. And that's only because I'm a little out of shape.
We
Well,
both are.
a lot of out of shape. We're old. Give us a break. Cut us some slack.
But we're fun.
Yeah, we're a lot of fun. So enjoy this little video cut and everything that we explored, and we'll be right back. Here we go.
Oh, it's just a regular.
It tastes like kind of.
Well, that's everything that's in there. I figured.
Kind of. Cheers again.
Cheers again. This is a regular.
Okay, that's good.
Margarita, straight up.
Is it? Do you have something you want to say?
Oh, yes. He didn't tell you.
Yes.
He forgot a couple of really, really important things. You're going to drink
A lot.
and also gamble. Every casino from here to as far as I can get to.
Everyone?
Everyone. And then back again. Because I'm a lucky son of a gun.
She's actually going to be the gambler. I'm going to go do more of this
Will I do this?
while she gambles. And I think I might go do this while she gambles.
He's not doing that.
Oh, then I'm going to go do this. I can't do any of these things without her, apparently.
None of it.
Only with her.
Not one.
This is like Joanne trying to hoard all of the prizes for the Patriot Games.
What prizes?
Every time one shows up, she's like, that's
I want
mine.
that.
That's mine.
No prizes. There's no prizes. There's no prizes, guys.
Red Rock Country. Extreme fire danger. Okay, that's some beautiful stuff, wasn't it? We really enjoyed that. It was a great day.
It was magnificent. It's probably one of the most picturesque places
Yeah.
I've ever been.
We
Because
made
we
a-
don't want to.
Well, we made a stop here and there and may have partaken in a glass of wine and a cocktail in
Or two.
between one of those things.
Right.
Maybe, but we're not saying we did. It's anyway. We got flies joining us,
My friends,
so we hope you enjoyed that. But now it's time for.
Patriot Games.
That's right. It is time for the Patriot Games. So we're gonna roll this video. Let's see if you guys know where this one is. So do you know where that is? If you do, put your comments in the link below. And not in the comment section, but in the link below under the description page is mybucketlistday.com/contest. That's where you enter your guest.
And remember
Your guest.
to
Yes?
no
It's a guest.
guess.
Yeah, we're not taking guests right now at this moment.
Well, we can, but
no,
no,
I don't
we
want
can't.
to do that. Yeah, just Joe is enough for me right now. So,
Oh boy.
so enter your guess right there, and
Don't forget to like, subscribe,
oh, yes.
and ring the little bell.
We don't ring it like this. You just click on it.
What's a bell?
It is a little bell.
Ring the bell.
She wants a servant, so that she goes like that. That's usually what I do. Well, I hope you enjoyed all of this. Make it a great bucket list day, and peace out.
See ya!
Oh, see ya this time.
No, I always say see ya.
You said peace out.
Nope.
You want to do that
Maybe
again?
the first time I said peace out.
You
But
did?
today I said see ya.
No, you said peace out.
Read it. No,
I'm not
listen
going to
to
read
it.
it. I'll watch it.
It says, I said see ya.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya. Okay, you want to do that again?
Yeah.
Okay. Where should we take
I don't
off?
know. That was a shit show, all of it. You start wherever you want, buddy. We're taking guests.
So so thanks for watching, and make it a great blah, 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 blah.
Bucket buddy list day. No,
Buddy bottom piss.
best.
So thanks for watching, and make it a great bucket list day.
See ya.